Alright, go ahead. What I
Don't
gotta
put
do?
me on goddamn camera.
What I gotta do?
You gotta do it out the door.
That's always.
Okay. Right now, what I'm doing, I'm finna go find him a beat. Looking like a hot mess. Sorry. Let's see.
What happened?
You can't look.
I'm not looking, man.
You better not.
I'm not, man. I'm just ready to do this. Let's do this. Better not be nothing ugly, dude. Straight up. Don't treat this nigga like dirt.
No, I'm not.
I ain't looking now. Come on. Bring it. Bring it. Shawty, let's go.
Don't rush. Just advertising.
Pizzeria and pretzel. Good combos.
I wish I could skip this, but you gotta do it.
I gotta do it. Oh, wow. What is this?
You know what that is.
Oh, my God, dude. Why you doing me like this?
Yeah.
Man, hey, man.
No.
She doing it like this because she know I already killed this video or whatever, dog.
Whatever. You still gotta do it though.
Man, don't worry, dog. Y'all, if y'all know June, I got this shit, dog. Trust me. Yeah, okay. I'm about to get on this thing. Look at her. She looking, man. She ready.
Yeah, you right.
Okay, you kicked me at that house party. Backing up a whole bunch of shouters, drinking a lot of 40s. Matter of fact, nigga, you don't really want to get it. Tell these niggas I'm going to get it. I ain't even stopped this some pimpin' shit. I ain't even got my cane. Matter of fact, I'm in the game, but they don't know my name is June, nigga, J-U-N-E, J-U-N-E. Yeah, don't really wanna play me, yeah, nigga, put me in the NBA, cause I be ballin' off the mat, it ain't no thing, I'ma show you how I do it, yeah, welcome on the floor like I do it, and you don't know about the cat, yeah, nigga, from South Cap to 803, you know that I'ma bring it back, it ain't no stopping, it ain't no breaking, it ain't no taking it in this bitch, so y'all niggas, I'ma do this thing, it ain't no breaking in this bitch, ain't this bitch catching the orgasm like breaking in this bitch, ain't no taking no game like no facing in this bitch, and I just smoke the whole blunt, bitch, give me another shot, watch a nigga go hard, you don't know I'm top notch, yeah, top notch team, nigga, top notch trouble. Matter of fact, we getting money, making money on the double. Understand, niggas, I be running with my rebels, yeah. Make a bed rock, go ahead, nigga, take it to the head top, nigga. Gon' get a fucking dreadlock, and now them bitch swinging. Bitch steady jangling on the nigga ball, cause the nigga getting changed, yeah. And I ain't talking about the hotel, but I take them hoes to the hotel, and they gon' tell, they no motel. Yeah, nigga, wanna go ahead, I'ma kill that killer, kill it, really. Show y'all niggas I'm the illest, do it off top like the realest. Touch me on the top like a toupee, nigga. I do this shit like every day, and I don't care about it, nigga. I'ma get my yen, I'ma shoot it up, and I'm telling you niggas I'm about that face. Hold up, nigga, there ain't no faces. Nigga, there ain't no flexing, there ain't no checking. And hold up, nigga, you got the fucking protection. We ain't talking about them clowns, bitch. We talking about that checking. Hit you niggas in your neck. Told y'all niggas that we gonna get you paralyzed from the head down. Nigga ain't no rig now. You in the club and you really wanna rain down. Nigga throw 20, bitch, you know we throw them behind us. Yo, we get it in, nigga, never ever running. Nigga like me, you know I like to stunt, bitch. Two-stepping with my drink in my hand, gunning. Nigga, it ain't no stopping. No, I stay dropping. Like firecrackers, no ginger stay popping. Nigga got the game on lock, door locking. Top lock, nigga, no stopping. If you wanna show me something, put it in the opposite, nigga, I'm offensive. Told y'all niggas I wanna get this thing, but I be popping in no fence. I'm gonna bring it back to the old days with them OGs. Niggas don't really know me. Told you niggas don't know me, so Bobby. Hold up, matter of fact, I'm a cool dude. Now give me that 50 feet and that cold feet. Niggas, I don't need no crew. And I don't care what you doing, I don't need no boo. And I don't need your hoe, cause I'm already on one. Met another one, nigga, yeah, I'm on two. What you really gon' do? Roll with my niggas in the Chevy when we come through. 24s on them young things, they look you. Woo, yeah, got them things looking dumb, boo. And paint job on that thing like young, boo. Yeah, you know that dude is real young, boo. Making millions in this bitch, nigga. Stack it up to a couple billions in this bitch, yeah. Knock at your door, but this ain't no Snoop Dogg. This that June for show, nigga, yeah. TNT at your fucking doorknob. And got your bitch at my doorknob. And understand this is no problem. I told you niggas that I'm gon' solve. I told you niggas I'ma be that dude on the top, nigga. It ain't no drop, nigga. And I'ma tell you this the drought, nigga. I'm gon' ahead, take him out, nigga. Take him to the hospital and put this nigga on CPR. I told you niggas I ain't playing, niggas. See me tomorrow. Smoke another L, nigga. I see you tomorrow. And then it me. These niggas know June cool. They knowin' me. They know what June do. They know what a nigga be capable of. And you know that these bitches really want about that love. But I don't trust that love, bitch. Get that club, bitch. The beat gone cause I killed it. Above it, yeah. Get that bitch a fucking halo. Cause I changed the beat, kill it. Give me another beat. Nigga,
Alright.
let's go, Mo.
Okay. You can go, Mo.
Stop that shit.